Today we're talking about one of the most important early skills your puppy will learn, toilet training. This stage can feel a little overwhelming, but with the right routine, clear guidance and plenty of support, your puppy will make great progress. Let's walk through what to expect and how to set your puppy up for success. One of the biggest variables is physical maturity. Puppies develop bladder and bowel control at different rates, just like toddlers. Some pups may manage their wheeze before their poops, or the other way around. And if you've had a previous dog who toilet trained quickly, remember that every puppy is an individual. Most pups show steady progress between 4 and 6 months of age. If you're still struggling at 6 months, it's worth checking in with a trainer and your vet to rule out any possible medical concerns. Toilet training begins long before your puppy comes home. Breeders who provide a designated toilet area, such as an artificial grass dog toilet, set puppies up beautifully. However, puppies that are raised with newspaper spread everywhere often learn to toilet everywhere. So puppies that are raised with a clear toilet zone learn to take themselves to a specific spot right from an early age. This early experience can make a big difference once they join your family. When your puppy is exploring the house, active supervision is essential. Take them outside as soon as they wake, after eating or drinking, after play. These are predictable times they'll need to go, and watch for things like sniffing, circling, or sudden stillness. This is your cue to head outside quickly with puppy. If you can't supervise, use a playpen, a safe space, or a puppy crate. A safe setup includes a comfy bed, water, and if needed for young pups, an indoor toilet area. Think of it as their little bedroom where they can rest and without rehearsing unwanted habits. When your puppy toilets outside, wait until they've completely finished. Interrupting too early can often leave a half-full bladder. Then reinforce generously with praise and some treats. Going outside with your puppy is important. The more you reinforce the behaviour, the more often they'll offer it. Puppies tend to be surface specific about where they go to the toilet. They develop preferences for what they toilet on. To keep things consistent, use a small piece of real grass or artificial grass in something like a litter tray. This matches the outdoor surface and makes the transition much smoother. Newspaper and puppy pads can create problems. Newspaper teaches them to possibly seek out paper, and puppy pads encourage toileting on soft absorbent surfaces like rugs or bedding, which of course we want to avoid. A very common issue is when puppies toilet inside right after being outside. This usually happens because the outdoor environment is full of really fun distractions. Sights, sounds, smells, toys, neighbours, birds. So to help puppy, take them outside on lead. If they toilet, they then earn the freedom to explore and have fun and play. If they don't, come back inside for a short period and then try again a few minutes later. Puppies have an incredible sense of smell. Even tiny traces of wee or poo can draw them back to the same spot. So it's important to use an enzymatic cleaner to break down odours properly. Punishing puppy doesn't help with toilet training. The guilty look people often see is actually a stress response and not guilt. If a puppy is punished for toiling in front of you, they may simply learn to hide and toilet out of sight. It also damages your relationship during a critical development period. Stick to supervision, management, and reinforcement. These are the methods that work. Toilet training success comes down to active supervision, using a crate or playpen when you can't watch, matching indoor and outdoor surfaces, reinforcing toileting in the right place, thorough cleaning of accidents, and avoiding punishment. With consistency and patience, your puppy will develop reliable toilet habits.